Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of one of the biggest local AI debates in 2025, Ollama and LM Studio. If you care about privacy, control, offline access, speed, or avoiding expensive cloud AI costs, then these two tools are probably already on your radar. But they actually serve very different types of users, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for you. So let's get started. We start with Ollama. Ollama started as a command line tool designed specifically for developers and technical users who want a simple way to download, manage, and run large language models directly on their computer. Its main philosophy has always been run modern AI models locally with full privacy and full control. What makes Ollama stand out is its flexibility. You can run different models side by side, you can switch quantization levels, automate tasks, and integrate Ollama with almost anything using its API support. It's very community driven and supports a wide range of popular open source models. Ollama is built for people who want both power and control, especially technical users and developers. Now let us talk about LM Studio. LM Studio is a tool that almost took the local AI world by storm because of how beginner friendly it is. While Ollama started with a developer mindset, LM Studio started with a user-first, app-first mindset. Its mission is to make local AI simple, accessible, and enjoyable for everyone. It's designed for content creators, for students, non-technical professionals, developers who prefer UI over terminal, and anyone who wants to experience with models without setup headaches. LM Studio also includes powerful features like GPU offloading, Open API compatible API endpoints for developers, document Q&A workflows, and long context chat capabilities. What are the main features of these platforms? We start with Ollama. CLI plus GUI integration. You can choose between the powerful command line interface or the newer GUI app. And developers love the CLI for automation, while everyday users can use the desktop app for chatting and tasks. They have a broad model support. They support a large catalog of models from different families like Llama, Mistral, Gemma, Qwen, and more. And you can quickly download models and run them with a simple command. Local privacy and offline use. Everything runs on your machine. There's no internet required and no data sent out, so it's great for sensitive documents. Drag and drop document chats. The new GUI lets you drop PDFs, articles, notes, or code files right into the chat window so that the model can analyze them. Scriptable workflows and API. Because it's CLI driven at the core, Ollama is excellent for automating tasks or integrating local AI into other tools or servers. Now we're on to LM Studio. LM Studio is extremely polished. Everything is visual, guided, and easy to use, which is perfect for beginners. It has a built-in model finder where you can search, preview, and download models right inside the app. No external downloading or manual setup. Open AI compatible API. Even without touching the terminal, you can run LM Studio models as local endpoints and connect them to apps or AI tools. Document chat and long context support. You can upload files, query documents, and ask complex questions about long content. GPU offloading, which is great for weak GPUs. LM Studio offers optimized GPU support even for integrated GPUs on laptops. This means you can run surprisingly large models on affordable hardware. Now, what is the pricing like? As of 2025, LM Studio is free for both personal and commercial use. You can download it and use every core without paying. Ollama is also free to download and use for running local models. If you want to run larger, more powerful models on cloud, you cannot use the free version of the Ollama. You'd rather use the Pro version, which costs $20 per month, or the Max version at $100 per month. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with Ollama, the pros. It is excellent for developers and technical users. It has a very powerful CLI for automation. It has broad model support and flexibility. There's also strong privacy and offline control, and the new GUI makes it more beginner friendly. How about the pros of LM Studio? Easiest local AI tool for beginners. It has a polished, beautiful interface. It has one-click model downloading and a great GPU support even on budget laptops. How about the cons? For Ollama, it still feels more developer-centered. Some tasks require command line comfort, and the GUI is new and still maturing. And the cons of LM Studio is less scriptable than Ollama's CLI. It's not ideal for heavy automation pipelines, and advanced users might feel limited compared to raw terminal tools. So which is the best AI tool in 2025? Well, both Ollama and LM Studio are excellent, but they shine for different types of people. So if you are a developer, a researcher, or a technical user and you want a flexible tool that you can automate, customize and integrate into other apps, then Ollama is the better choice because it gives you deep control and supports tons of different models. But if you want simplicity, you want ease of use and a clean interface, and you just want something that works without configuration, then LM Studio is the winner. It's incredibly user-friendly, it looks great and works smoothly even on modest hardware. And that's it on the comparison of Ollama and LM Studio. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Jam.ai, anything LLM, and Not Studio. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.